What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Synapse, which has pumped up once again guys, over 20% in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see here, it is currently trading at 75 cents. So we're going to be looking at where is Synapse heading to. Is it going to pump up to the dollar mark over the coming weeks, potentially by the end of January? Is it going to crash back down? And as you guys can see, over the last month it has gained an insane 76%. Even though the crypto market has been going through a little bit of a dip, Synapse has been going the opposite direction. It has been pumping. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Is it worth buying it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it before it crashes back down, or should you hold on to it before it pumps back up? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction overall in 2024, what my expectations and predictions are on this crypto. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Synapse, which is here in purple at 58 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here at 75 cents, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. However, that also does mean that it is slightly overvalued due to the difference between the average value and the actual value. So it is likely, or it does have a chance to drop back down, but we'll get into that later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep guys, due to the fact that Synapse has gone through a major increase in value over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks that it's going to keep pumping in that direction. However, that is not the case, so this MACD indicator here is not realistic. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, so by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, I'm expecting Synapse to have dropped back down to around just below 70 cents in value is what I'm expecting. Again, yes, it is overvalued as I mentioned earlier on in the video, so I'm expecting it to hit more red candles over the coming hours. However, that does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher over the next couple of hours, above 80 cents, before it slowly starts to drop back down in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, down to around 70 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we still have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are still looking quite steep, meaning this is not realistic. Exact same reason as the previous chart. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Synapse to have once again gone through an overall drop in value, potentially down to around 60 to 63 cents, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Synapse to be trading at by the end of this week and early next week as well. Exact same reason, it is overvalued, so it is likely to hit more red days over the coming days. Again, do expect the odd green day in between where it's likely to take a little bit of a pump, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point seems to once again be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So dropping down to around 60 cents in value is what I'm expecting from this crypto over the coming week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now, we're not looking as steep as the previous chart. We do have the blue and the orange line heading towards the bullish direction, and they are looking much more realistic, guys, according to the graph. An overall minimal increase in value is what is expected, which I also agree with. So by mid to late March, early April, I'm expecting Synapse to be heading over the 95 cents target, potentially just about hitting the dollar mark is what I'm expecting by end of March, early April. So by the end of quarter one, beginning of quarter two, I'm expecting the crypto to be trading around the dollar mark is where I'm expecting it to go to. However, if there are any major updates to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major crash or a major pump or a bull run, anything that can have a major positive or negative impact on the value of Synapse and the general crypto market, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So to sum it up, I'm expecting a price correction over the coming days and week or two before it slowly starts to gain value by early February, early March and early April as well, heading to over the dollar mark. But again, do expect dips in between. So let's bring out the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the resistance target here, we need to hit the dollar mark, so $1.23, which I'm expecting Synapse to hit by mid-year. We should be able to hit the resistance target, potentially resist here for a few days and potentially break out into the green zone in the second half of the year is what my expectations are at the moment. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 380% in the last 24 hours, making it $36 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading, guys. Again, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, or the second top gainer even, according to Binance, even though the crypto market is slightly on the red side, with Bitcoin dropping down to $39,000. It's not looking great, but Synapse has managed to stay on the green side and is currently pumping, so a lot more people are trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, and hence why it is getting a lot of attention, and the value is also pumping up as well. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on this crypto, guys. Comment down below, when are you guys expecting Synapse to hit the dollar mark? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also comment down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024? Let me know that in the comment section down below as well. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.